Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Yusrie bin Aling, and this is my research proposal for my final year project as FYP. My FYP topic is synthesis and characterization of copper-less CCTO dielectric electro-ceramic material. Uh, as we know, to form the calcium copper titanium oxide, we need three raw material, which is calcium carbonate, uh, cal calcium carbonate, copper oxide, and titanium dioxide. These three raw material will be react and form calcium copper titanium oxide, and the side product is carbon dioxide. CCTO is very important in the electronic industry. Normally, CCTO is used as material in the electronic device. We call it as capacitor. This CCTO, calcium copper titanium oxide, we will place between the plate of the capacitor. Um, this proposal is for make my research planning become easier. CCTO will be added as material in the capacitor. As we know, capacitor function is to store energy in the form of charge. Understand more about CCTO, calcium copper titanium oxide. Let's start my presentation. Introduction, background of study. Advanced ceramic bring a lot of change. The size of electronic device becomes smaller and make our daily life more easy. What is CCTO? Calcium copper titanium oxide. CCTO have high permittivity value, have perovskite structure, and used as material in capacitor. The perovskite structure is on the picture example. Objective is to synthesize CCTO with different value of copper, and the formula we will be used is below, which is I will change the value of copper. And the other objective is to determine effects of copper content in CCTO on phase formation, density, microstructure, and dielectric properties. For the material we use is calcium carbonate, titanium dioxide, copper oxide, and polyvinyl alcohol. And then for preparation, we will use mixing and milling, calcination, pressing, and sintering process. For mixing and milling, I will use the mixing and milling machine and alumina ball. And then calcination at 900 degrees C for 14 hours. Pressing and shaping, two size of sample, which is 10 millimeter and 6 millimeter diameter, will be made, and then the pressure is 200 megapascal for 2 minutes, and then sintering at 100 degrees Celsius for 12 hours. I will characterize the sample on morphology, density, permittivity values, and microstructure. For the morphology, I will use scanning electron microscope. That's the picture of SEM. And then density, I will use the density meter. That's the example of density meter. And then permittivity, I will use the impedance analyzer. This machine is, I will go to UKM. And then microstructure is using XRD. Okay, I hope CCTO can be synthesized by using all the method in the methodology. All the sample can be characterized based on their properties like in methodology. I hope in this study will further enhance my knowledge and skill in doing research on CCTO. Thank you.